So here's this camera, Panasonic HC-V270, and let's see how to delete multiple video files from the memory card. First of all, press this button, the top one, to enter the preview mode, and here we can see we have 5 videos, and use these 2 arrows until you see the trash can. So here's a trash can. Press that one, and all scenes, multi, single and no. So we want to delete all scenes. Press that all. It's a warning if you want to really delete it. Delete them, yes. Now deleting. And all scenes were deleted. No data. The memory card of the camera is empty. Back to video shooting mode. Once again into preview mode, and it says no data.